Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off audio quantize in Logic Pro X. So look at the bottom left corner, basically in the middle corner of your screen, bottom corner. And what we are going to do is tap the inspect button. So this one at the middle, this one right here. Tap an empty space in the background of your timeline grid. This will ensure that individual audio blocks or MIDI clips are highlighted, shifting the inspector focus to the global track default. So as you can see right now, this live guitar, I have selected one block, so now it's global. Okay. Now at the very, we see here some settings. So we have here compression, noise, and so on. Okay. Okay, so now what we can do is go to the bottom corner here and select this middle one like so. Okay, now what we need to do is you will see in this menu here quantize. So if it's on, then just simply turn it off. So if you have, let's say, one of 16 swing D, just simply find the off button right here, and this will basically solve your searching with this quantize. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can turn it off. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next